And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can check your Lexus car's tire pressures, because this is really important service in our cars. Okay, and first thing is that we have to go to look our car's tire pressures. Firstly, we have to look in our car that where we have these tire pressures. And there is my car's front door, and just in here there is this my tire pressures in here. And in my car I am driving in this 160 to 210 kilometers, and that means that all of my tires, they should be 2.5 bar or 2.6 bar is this amount. And if I have more load in here, this rear tires is 2.8. Okay, so let's go to install tire pressure 2.5 and 2.6 in rear, and front is 2.5. Okay, and for next I need tire pressure meter. And let's go to look at how I measure these things. Okay, and this is really my car's rear tire, and now we need high quality this tire meter, and like this is high quality meter because there is Michelin logo, and this is made in Italy, and I believe that this is good quality meter. And firstly I have to install this point in this my car's tire valve, that firstly I press that button in this way, look, that I open this hole, and before of that I remove that cap hat, and because this is rear tire, there should be and must be 2.6 bar in here. Let's check what is this amount. Okay, firstly couple of air movements, and now it is whistling and I have to press this in. This must be silent all time. And then we check our pressure, and now I have too low pressure, 2.1, and when I add in here pressure, then this my feels pressure is right, and also this my pressure warning sensors message in my dashboard, it will go away. Okay, and next I add in their air, and let's look at how I add in their 2.6 bar. Okay, and now I have in here this compressed air in here, and I install this air in here, and firstly I check, I press this my trigger, and I test that there's air coming out good, and then again I install this nozzle in here, and I press that in this way, it is mandatory. And let's look closer that we can see how I do. And now we have nice view, and the point is that I press this metallic trigger, and then I press that in all time, force in this direction. And in same time I need to read this my meter, that what are there those meter amounts. Okay, and now I am pressing that, and now there is amount 2.1, and in this my car this pressure should be and must be in 2.6, and now when I press the trigger, then I can add more pressure, and this is this minus and remove pressure button, but now I press that and soon this meter goes higher, and same time I have to keep this my nozzle in there, and now we look at how I can install in there 2.6. Now there's 2.3, 2.5, Okay, now there is 2.6, and now I have to do that again, this check that I install this my nozzle in here, and now we check and it is just 2.6. Excellent. And now this my tire, this is okay, and I have check and add air in there, and then if there happens situation that I have too much pressure, I need to install that again, and now I little bit like add extra air there, and now I have 2.8. I press now this minus button, and I note this is whistling. I have to install my hand in there, and now I press that minus button, and I take like air away. Now there's 2.5, a little bit more because I like 2.6, and now it is just 2.6, and again test. Good, now we are again in good result. Okay, and now I will do the same job to all my tires, and let's go to check this front tire, because in my car these rear tires, they are a little bit higher air pressure, but in front tires it is 2.5. And let's go to check this my front tire air pressure. There is my front tire, and there is this feel, this air pressure feel cap hat. And now when I like to check that how much there is this pressure, because there must be 2.5, firstly I like clean that, and I again press that switch, and let's check that what amount of there is 2.2, 2 less, and there should be this to be 2.5. Okay, now we can see, and now I add again air in there. There should be 2.5. Little bit this increase pressure. Okay, now it is 2.5, and I take that nozzle away, and again I test. It is good to test, and now it's 2 less, 2.4, little bit more. Okay, and now it's just right. Excellent. And now I have add in front tire also more air, and then final step is to install this important cap hat in there. And now I have add in 2 tires this more air, and now I have to check also those another 2 tires what are left, this front tire in another side and rear tire in another side. And after that we can go to look inside that how this my TPMS monitor works.